Are you looking for the best handheld steam cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best handheld steam cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Black+Decker 7-in-1 Steam Mop. The Black+Decker 7-in-1 steamed mop takes all the hassle out of cleaning your floors. This powerful mop works on all hard floor surfaces and other surfaces, and can be used to mop, steam, sanitize, scrub, and dry your floors. The steam heats up in 20 seconds for convenience and provides continuous flow. Number 2. Costway 2000 watts Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. The Costway Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is a powerful and efficient steam cleaner that can be used for various cleaning applications. It features a high-powered 2000-watt motor and a large-capacity water tank, allowing you to clean for longer without having to refill the tank. It also features a wide range of accessories, including 2 extension tubes, an ironing brush, a glass brush, a measuring cup, and more. Number 3. Cakie Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner. These handheld steam cleaner by Cakie has a lightweight body to let you carry it easily from one place to another. Once connected to the power supply, the steam cleaner gets ready in 3 minutes and emits uninterrupted powerful steam for up to 20 minutes. Further, it is equipped with a long cord measuring 9.8 feet for convenient indoor and outdoor use. Number 4. McCulloch MC1230 Handheld Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch Handheld Steam Cleaner is designed for deep cleaning and eliminating grease and grime from a wide range of surfaces. The cleaner uses a heating time of just 3 minutes to deliver 10 minutes of continuous steam. The 15-foot-long power cord adds to its maneuverability and allows you to clean hard-to-reach places. If you need more convincing, feel free to take a look at this YouTuber's video on the merits and demerits of the product. Number 5. PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner. The PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner is a 10-in-1 powerful and efficient cleaning system designed to tackle tough messes. With its adjustable steam settings, you can easily tackle dirt and grime on most surfaces. The mop head enables you to get into tight corners, and the special scrubber brush attachment helps deep clean tough stains. Number 6. Bissell Steam Mop. The Bissell Steam Mop uses pressurized steam to quickly and effectively break down dirt and grime from the surfaces. It provides a powerful and efficient cleaning method with minimal effort. The high heat of the steam can kill up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it a great way to keep your home clean and healthy. This steam mop can be used on hardwood, tile, laminate, and other types of flooring. It can also be used to freshen carpets and rugs. Number 7. Puetz Handheld Steam Cleaner. Puetz Handheld Steam Cleaner comes with utility brushes ideal for deep cleaning different surfaces. It allows for natural steam cleaning with no harmful fumes or chemical residue. The handheld steamer is both portable and lightweight and comes with a 9.4-foot long cord for easy maneuverability.